welcome everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Barbarian Beauty, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So down the street from my church, I had noticed these two dirt patches, and I was just like, okay. I'm gonna pull up. The lot is empty. There's no traffic or anything like that. So I said I'm gonna go ahead and play in some dirt.
I didn't see that. You good?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you good.
So, I'm not supposed to be up here. Y'all, tell me why security just pulled up on me. As soon as I was about to pull off, here comes security. Long story short, I was up here a little bit too long. But it was cool though. He wasn't tripping or anything like that. Honestly, I thought some bystander or like, you know, someone who owns the lot, you know, who watches the cameras or some shit like that, I thought they was gonna call the police. There was nothing like that. It was really cool. I was thankful I didn't have to run into any really major problems because I am on private property and technically I'm trespassing. So we gonna go ahead and get up out of here. That way we don't push our luck. So let's keep it moving. If you guys would like more content from your girl at Barbarian Beauty, all you have to do is keep doing what you're doing. Continue to subscribe to the channel. Continue to share the videos, like, comment, you know, subscribe. Big thanks to all my new and old subscribers and getting your girl to her first 100 subscribers. Like, y'all have no idea like how good that makes me feel because I genuinely kind of fuck with y'all. Like I really do fuck with, you know, the people who took the time out to support what I got going on.